Hi everyone, welcome to Indonesian and English learning channel. Today we have a news, and our news is about 5G network. The UK says the Chinese telecom company Huawei can help build a part of UK's 5G network. However, Huawei's role will be limited because the company is considered a high-risk seller. Huawei will not work on any critical or sensitive part of the network, including around military bases and nuclear sites. The company is also allowed to supply only 35% of the equipment in non-sensitive parts of the network. Huawei's chief security officers called this a very significant limitation. The US administration said that it is disappointed by the UK's decision. The US has long believed that Huawei devices pose a threat to national security, and it has pressured its allies to move away from working with this company. This is the end of our news for today, and see you in our next video. Please, for our support, subscribe our channel. Bye.